probably never see black man do-rag make sushi. Ha! He made sushi today.
Some peppers and onions that we use when we sauteed our steaks or when we made our steaks. We're gonna go straight in with this steak. Chicken that we seasoned and cooked up. Boneless chicken thighs. Fresh cheddar. Cheese that we've cut up. And some shrimp. So these are some shrimp, chicken, and steak sushi rolls. I bet you never seen these before. And everything is cooked. No raw nothing. Man, that's good. We got a seaweed leaf. We made some sushi rice. And we put all our stuff in. So now we just roll it. And you unroll it. You got sushi.